Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for the most relaxing watch reviews on YouTube. It's a little bit of a surprise today, but finishing off the birthday month on a high. My cousin was recently in Japan and picked me up a little something. So yeah, we have a quick unboxing today. So it's none other than a first Citizen in my collection. So it's a Citizen EcoDrive. But yeah, let's get straight into it. It's a really special piece. So it comes in a nice aesthetic kind of black and silver outer box. Have a solid inner box, just your kind of international guarantee and instruction booklets for the piece. But yeah, let's check out the watch itself. It's none other than the Citizen Attesa Panda. I think the reference is CA4390A. I'll throw the correct details in the description below. But yeah, check out that dial. So it's kind of a panda, but it has a bit of a textured dial to it. Let's get some zoom and focus action happening. It actually reminds me of, if you guys remember the Seiko SARX055 that came out a few years ago. And people were calling it kind of the baby GS Snowflake. Yeah, it has that kind of texture. And let's get in closer. That's actually stunning. Damn. But yeah, standard. So it's a Citizen EcoDrive, solar quartz. We kind of have the subdials of the chronograph, so 60-minute timer, 60 seconds, and the 24-hour time on the right. Has a color match date at 4:30. Not my favorite, but it is matched, so it does kind of suit the face as they've done it. Super light. So I believe this is a super titanium watch by Citizen with the Duratec coating. But yeah, wow, super light. I think this is definitely under 100 grams. Yeah, very clean dial. It looks like the hour and minute hands have a loom strip on them. I'll try and test it out and throw in a photo here after this video. But yeah, so the dimensions, I think it's 42mm across for the dial, and we have about 13mm height. The lug to lug, I believe, is 49, and the lug width is 20. This is definitely going to be a strap monster, similar to the Orient Panda. So yeah, really looking forward to throwing in on some of those other common straps, which are the 20mm width. So I can already hear people saying, you know, how does it compare to the Orient Panda? So quick wristwatch check. I'm actually wearing the Orient Panda, solar quartz as well. But yeah, definitely going to check in with you guys of how it compares. But let's have a quick head-to-head look right now, and you can already see the difference between the two dials. But yeah, two beautiful kind of watches in the same space. Also reminds me, Seiko released a Speedtimer quartz. It was a SSC813 if I'm not mistaken, which also kind of fits the Japanese trio of quartz pandas. I don't have that one, but I'll see if I can grab that from one of my friends if they do have it. That one's a bit on the expensive side. I think it's around 600 or 500 US dollars. I'm not sure how much my cousin paid for this one, but it's probably within the range of the Panda and the Seiko, not any more or less. So he did say that he sized it to his wrist. We are similar height, so hopefully our wrist sizes are similar too. Oh, nice. Yeah, it does fit me well. Let's do a little wrist roll. Damn, that's super light, that titanium. But yeah, it really sits well on the wrist for a 42, to be honest. The bracelet is very comfortable. Kind of have these polished ends of the centerpieces, giving it a bit of a classy look. And then the clasp itself with the Citizen logo stamped and a secure butterfly mechanism there, which is nice. Yeah, damn, really loving that dial. Super unique. Reminds me of the Starlight dial actually a little bit. But yeah, super pleased to receive this kind of spectacular gift. I think he did really well. He has seen my collection before, so he probably saw the Panda and some of the other pieces I have. I love for Japanese pieces. But yeah, let's just try out the chronograph mechanism. You can see the kind of counter going there. Yeah, the pushers are nice. Not too small or not too big. Nice little flyback there right back to the 60, boom, precise. Damn, I'm still enamored with that dial, guys. Let's really get in some zoom and focus actioning. But yeah, no, really looking forward to checking in with the head-to-head comparison and a review with the Orient Panda. But all in all, really happy with this piece. Another Japanese one for the collection, a first Citizen. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. If you have this piece, let me know how you've liked it. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you in the next video. Bye, YouTube.